So guys, are you finding it difficult to create a PayPal account that can receive and also send money here in Nigeria or in other restricted country? So don't worry, in today's video I'm going to review exactly how you can create a working PayPal account that can receive money and also send money without any issue. And more importantly, if you like to do PayPal arbitrage, you want to withdraw the money directly to your bank account or prepaid card, this tutorial is going to be much helpful to you because you are going to learn exactly the working method now that we do use to transfer our PayPal fund directly to our bank account or prepaid card. So ensure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. You know, it encourages me to produce more content like this. So without wasting much of your time, you have to come to PayPal official website, which is paypal.com. So if you come to paypal.com, it's going to redirect you to the .ng page, which is I'm from Nigeria. It's going to redirect you to Nigeria page because we are not using VPN. It's not advisable to use VPN, but Nigeria PayPal has a lot of limitations. You can only pay online, you can't receive money, and you can't transfer money to your bank account or your credit card. So but we are not really interested in Nigeria PayPal because it's very useless. So all you have to do is just to scroll down to the very bottom of the PayPal official website, then you change your country. So we are going to change the account dashboard to the country that are actually working right now. So actually there are a lot of people that are using Lesotho PayPal, they are using Madagascar, they are using South Africa, but there are a lot of limitations to this African PayPal's account. There are a lot of limitations. You can't actually transfer money to your prepaid card. So it is few of them that is working. So but right now we are only focusing on creating a United Arab Emirates PayPal account. So we are going to click on United Arab Emirates. So it's going to load up the information for us to sign up. So let's try to check out the function of a United Arab Emirates PayPal. So you can accept payment, you can make payment, we can also receive payment. This particular PayPal account is much okay for anyone that is into online business, freelancing and all the rest. So for you to get started, you have to click on sign up for free. So we are going to open PayPal account. So we have two options. We have personal account, we also have business account, but with this particular tutorial I'm going to show you, I'm only concentrating on business account because it's more easier for us to verify our details and get our account open. So you have to click on continue. So over here we have to enter our email address. So I'm going to type in my email address that I'm using on paypal.com. So this is the sign up page. So I'm going to enter my email address. So I'm going to paste one of my email address which I'm going to use to sign up. So then click on continue to be able to sign up. So it's going to load up. So I'm also going to choose a unique password. So I'm going to choose a unique password. You are going to enter up to 8 to 20 character with lowercase and symbol. So I'm going to click on continue because this is one of the passwords I use. So here is very important. You have to make sure that you make this information more accurate. So you need your name, your legal name. So I'm going to my business contact. So I'm going to enter my legal name. So and also my other names to be able to create the account. So right now you can choose any business name you really want. So I'm just going to choose one of my website, which is on trend here. So you have to ensure you use every information that is very important. Here also business phone number. Here you are supposed to use your normal Nigerian phone number because sometimes PayPal might want to send you a verification. So and if you use a random number, you might have difficulty verify your number. So we are going to look for +234, which is Nigeria code. So +234. Let's try to look for +234. Okay, this is +234 Nigeria number. So I'm going to enter my number, and more importantly I'm going to block out this information because it's a very sensitive information. So I'm going to enter my number to be able to continue with the registration. So the next thing that is very important for you to choose your home address. Right here, the business address is very important also, but you have to make sure that you choose any of these cities in United Arab Emirates. So you can just choose Dubai. So they are not really concerned about your home, your business address. You can choose any address. So and also the aspect of choosing your currency, you can choose any currency you want, but you know, most of the client that is going to be paying us, they are going to be paying us in dollar. So we are going to choose dollar, then scroll down all the way to the bottom of the page, then we click on agree terms and conditions, then we click on agree and continue. So and the next page is for us to answer our business type, so we can choose any business we want. So right now I'm in sole proprietorship, so I can choose individual or sole proprietorship. So type of services I rendered, so I'm going to choose one of the services I render. So let's first search for digital goods and services, digital goods or game, so digital media book. So I'm going to choose this one, digital good and application excluding game. So it's okay, they are not really much concerned about this information. So then click on continue to be able to create our PayPal account that can receive, that can also send. So the next one, which is also important, you have to ensure that every information you are input over here are more accurate. So you are going to select your date of birth. So right now let me just try to select my date of birth, 23rd May. So I'm also going to block this information now, because you know it's very sensitive. So the next one is your nationality. Here is also very important. You have to choose Nigeria, because you know there are some people that are in United Arab Emirates, that are Nigeria, that have businesses in United Arab Emirates. So you can choose your nationality to be able to make sure you'll get your identification verified. So right now we are going to choose either a national ID card, international passport, or driving license. So the one I have is my national ID card, so I'm going to choose it, then enter my national card details. So it's going to be, let me type in over here. So as you can see, I think we are good to go. The next thing is for us to click on submit to be able to get our PayPal account created. So submit, and it's going to load up the information for us to be able to complete our registration and start using our PayPal account. So wow, our PayPal account is loading now. So this PayPal account can actually receive money, it can send money to anyone throughout the whole world. So due to the fact that I have existing PayPal account, about 2 less to PayPal, so I'm getting this error message, temporary limitation. I'm going to fix this error. You know, if you are just starting up creating a PayPal account, you're not going to get this message. So for me to fix this error, I'm going to click on here to be able to check out what PayPal is actually requesting from me. So try to load up. While loading up, I'm also going to come to my PayPal account to be able to verify my email. So I received different emails. So this one is confirm your email address. So this is the email I received. So I'm also going to confirm my email address. So but let me try to check what they are requesting. So they said I should upload a photo ID. So click on resolve. Then I'm going to choose the type of ID that I want to use. So I'm going to use national ID card. So, and also I'm going to click on browse feature to be able to upload it from my mobile, from my laptop. So this is the ID I'm going to use. Going to upload it, then actually submit it for review. So I'm going to submit it over here to be able to see if they are going to retain my account. So your information has been submitted. Go. So I'll just go click on it to see. So that is the first step on actually getting our account back. So home. So the second step is for us to confirm the email. I'm also going to confirm the email address. So enter my so I'm waiting for them to actually get back to me. So after getting back to me, I should be able to get back my account and start transacting on PayPal. So I'm going to pause this video, continue it after getting a message from them.
A few moments later.
Welcome back. So after some hours, I actually got 2 messages from PayPal. The first one is telling me that the information that I sent, like the ID I uploaded, has been reviewed. So, and the second message is telling me that my account has been restored successfully. You know, this is the second message I got, and it's telling me that congratulations, your withdrawal limit has now been lifted. So now I can be able to withdraw from PayPal, and also there is no issue of a account temporarily limited or so it's one of the best way for you to get your account verified on PayPal. So let me check my PayPal dashboard. So as you can see, the error message I'm getting before has actually disappeared, and I try much as possible to transfer just $10 to this account. Now I can be able to receive money and also send money. But you know, if I just open a PayPal account, you also get your money on hold because of the fact that the account is very new. So the next thing I'm going to do now is to link my credit card. So but right now there is this particular issue that is going on in Nigeria now. All Naira cards are not working for international payment. So for you to be able to link your card with PayPal, you see that you get your dollar card or any card that can accept international payment. So my recommendation right now is just walk into any UBA bank to be able to get AfriCard, or probably you can open the domiciliary account and request for their dollar card. So but the one I'm going to use in this video is my domiciliary account, which is offered by Access Bank. So I'm going to click on link a card. So I'm also going to enter this detail. Then you know, this information are very sensitive, so I'm going to block the information out and submit it to be able to link up my card and start transacting on PayPal. As you can see, I successfully linked the card. So if you have any kind of issue trying to link your credit card to PayPal, I can advise you to actually walk into this particular bank, Standard IBTC Bank, because I'm still using a card to run Google ad, so it might actually work for you as Naira card. That is one of the Naira card that's working here in Nigeria. So I'm going to click on done to be able to ensure that I get this account verified. More importantly, you have to ensure that you have up to probably $3 or $4 in the card so that they'll be able to charge your account. So I'm going to confirm this card, confirm your card. So they are going to send 4-digit code to the dollar card linked to my bank account. So I'm going to check the statement of account to be able to get the code and confirm this card and start using PayPal. So they're going to charge about $9.95 to $2. So I'm going to get the code and paste it over here. So I'm going to click on get code. Then I will be expecting the code about 2 to 3 business days. So let me just try to go and check my details to be able to see if I have received the code. So enter the code. So over here, after getting the code, I'm going to paste the code over here and confirm my card. So I'm hopefully that I should be able to withdraw directly to this card because it's a dollar card from Access Bank. So hopefully. So guys, after checking my statement of account, I actually get charged. I'm charged $195. So I'm going to enter the code that I received to be able to confirm it. And after entering this code, they're going to refund this money and link my account successfully. So I'm going to enter the code to confirm this card. So confirmed. So as you can see, I've successfully linked my card to PayPal. So right now, I can be able to do a lot of transactions with this PayPal. I can withdraw directly because this card is dollar card. So hopefully it's supposed to work. So it's loading. So hopefully it's supposed to work to be able to withdraw directly to this card and make sure that my transaction is successful. So guys, after refreshing this page, the notification that I have to confirm my card details has actually disappeared. So right now, that means I can actually receive money, I can send an invoice, and can request for money, do a lot of things with this PayPal. So if I can just give someone my email address and they are going to send money and I'm going to receive it instantly. So but right now, this PayPal is a new PayPal account, so most of the money that are going to be sent directly to this PayPal are going to be on hold because it's a new PayPal. For example, this money I sent is on hold because it's a new PayPal. So I'm going to wait for probably weeks to be able to make sure that this account gain momentum and start to receive huge amount of money. So if you want to learn how to link your Payoneer, TransferWise or other US bank account, you have to subscribe so that I'll be making an update about this PayPal, how you can transfer your PayPal directly to your credit card. So ensure to follow up, and if you find great value in this content I try to produce today, I'd like to hear your opinion. If I actually help you one way or the other. So let me know in the description below. I will try much as possible to reply each of everyone comment. Thanks for watching this video. I'm sure to follow up, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.